L, A, G, leg. So where is leg? There you got it. L, A, G, leg. This is done. Next is B, A, D. B, A, D. Bed. It is here. So we will write it, find it here. Bed. B, A, D. Bed. This is done. Next sound is P, A, G. Peg. P, A, G. Peg. Where is peg? It is here. Peg. So we will write it right here. P, A, G. Peg. Next word is N, A, T. Net. N, A, T. Net. Where is it? Net. Can you find it? Where is net, net, net? I didn't get it. Did you get it? Net. It's here. N, A, T. Net. N, A, T. Net. It's done. Next is V, A, T. Vet. V, A, T. Vet. V, A, T. Wet. This worksheet is done. Let's move to the next one. That is, name it. What is this? It is a bed. So let's write it right here. What is the first sound? B. B, A, D. Bed. B, A, D. Bed. Write it right here. Write it neatly. B, A, D. Bed. Write a sentence about it. Can you write a sentence? Can you make a sentence of the word bed? Write it in the comments. Okay, write a sentence that is, let's write it like this. I got a new